How to see your blocked Snapchatter on Snapchat. Hello guys, today we'll show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Snapchat. After this, when your Snap is opening, you go here on your profile, then open it. Then go to settings and open it. After this guys, you will just go down to block it. And here you will find the blocked Snapchatter on your Snapchat account. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.